tail light. I'm gonna take out these ones out. Let me take the. That's how it looks like. The padding for the seal. I'm gonna use a this Japanese style Phillips to remove these. There's a two. Pull this out. Then you disconnect it from here. Not a fan of this because it didn't seal up and water got into my truck. Very notorious. So you can grab a rag, clean it, grab the new one, connect it, clicks in. I'm gonna have my guy hit the brakes for me and hit the brakes. All right, let go of the brakes, and then let's see if you with the toggle. Hit the brakes. So you're gonna have it strobed or not strobed. All right, hit the brakes one more time. I'm gonna leave it on like that. Now we're gonna put the screws in. Use a razor blade to shape this down the inner to actually fit right. At the Chrysler dealership, we usually put like a silicone around the gasket to seal it for not water to come back in, or you can put silicone right here to make sure it doesn't leak into your thing, or you get a little spoiler like mine. I got the strobe. You can let go. All right, so I had to do that. The only thing, hopefully everything is sealed. Like I said, at the dealership, we will put silicone around the third brake light so water won't go inside your cabin and mess up your headliner. So put the screws back in. And the only thing is, with my other LEDs, the same thing. That I think these are the, I don't know if the reverse. That's not reverse. I've got told these lights stay on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, night, weekend. Drive safe and stay dirty.